Hi everyone, welcome to week 13, the second week of the social network. So this week you are going to explore some social network sites and give a reflection. And also this week is the last week that you will have assignments. So next week there will be no assignments. You will have time work for your final project. So I'm going to show you the page of week 13. So this week we have four tasks in total. The first one is to watch this introduction video. The second one is to choose and explore social network sites. So please choose at least one social network site from the following links. So there are three links listed lots of professional social network sites that I think they will be very useful for your future career life. So after exploring one social network sites, what you're going to do in the task three is to give a reflection. So the reflection should be at least 300 words. Please share your experience about exploring the social network sites. So why you choose this site, what is the main function, and also please share your evaluation, and please also tell us how you will use this in the future, or you can share some other reflections. It depends on you. So also please at least give at least one feedback to your colleagues. So the next thing is keep working on your final. So the last day of this course is May 7th, 11:59 p.m. So please remember to submit your final before this time. So after you're submitting your final, I will give you final grades after that. So if you have any questions, please send an email to me. So that's all for the week 13. Hope you guys will have a great week and see you next Tuesday. Bye. Thank you.